हरी राजा राजा हरी राजा
नमस्कार मित्रहो, रामकृष्ण हरी. हरिकीर्तन प्रबोधिनीच्या कीर्तन प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाळेत आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
राम कृष्ण
आपल्याला जर कीर्तनकार व्हायचं असेल, वारकरी पद्धतीचे अथवा नारदीय पद्धतीचे कीर्तन प्रशिक्षण घ्यायचे असेल तर आमच्या www.learnkirtan.co.in या संकेतस्थळाला भेट द्या आणि ऑनलाईन प्रशिक्षण अभ्यासक्रमाला प्रवेश घ्या. धन्यवाद. भक्तांची साकडी सोये सोशी देव, त्यापासी केशव सर्व काळ. जय ठाई कीर्तन वैष्णव करीती, तेथे हा श्रीपती उभासे. तुका म्हणे देव सर्वा ठाई झाला, भरुणी उरला पांडुरंग. God himself bears the troubles of his devotees. Keshava is the devotee's companion and accompanies him forever. Where devotees are enchanting his name, this Shripati is standing there. Sant Tukaram Maharaj says, God is omnipresent and Panduranga is everywhere. Panduranga karu prathama naman, dusare charan santanchi yaay. संत कृपा दाने कथेचा विस्तारू, बाबाजी सद्गुरु दास तू काय. विठ्ठल 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 The Abhanga taken for the present service is written by Sant Shiromani Jagadguru Tukaram Maharaj. Sant Tukaram Maharaj was not only a great sant but also a great social reformer. He showed the way of all-round progress to all human beings. Describing his greatness, the great Marathi poet Moropant says, मुकुटमणी संतांचा तुकया म्हणून ये वाणी नेले जड वैकुंठी विठ्ठल विठ्ठल म्हणून या वाणी. Sant Tukaram Maharaj is the crown jewel, the pinnacle. We all know that the foundation stone of this Varkari Sampradaya is led by Sri Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj. Jnanadeve rachila paya ubharile devalaya. And it is further stated that भजन करा सावकाश तुका झाला से कळस. Sant Tukaram Maharaj was a trader and money lender by profession. But this is not his true identity. Jagat Guru is his true identity. Vithala, 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 Vithala. Let us first look at the meaning of this Abhanga. Sant Tukaram Maharaj says, God himself bears the troubles of his devotees. This Keshav is very close to him. This Shripati stands where Vaishnavas perform kirtan. This Panduranga is omnipresent and is everywhere. Vithala, Vithala, Vithala,
Vithala, Vithala,
What is the first sutra stated in this Abhanga? The point number 1. God himself bears the troubles of his devotees. It's great. It is okay if our work is done by someone else and we will just see it and worship God. He will take care of everything. But before saying that, one must understand that what a devotee is and what devotion is. भक्त ऐसे जाना जे देही उदास गेले आशा पाश निवारुनी विषय तो त्यांचा झाला नारायण नावडे जन धन माता पिता निर्वाणी गोविंद असे मागे पुढे काहीच साकडे पडो नेदी तुका म्हणे सत्य कर्मा व्हावे साह्य घातलिया भय नरका जाणे विठ्ठल 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 Now, who is the true devotee? He who have relinquished all expectations and who is neutral about the body and pleasure associated with the body, who has no vested interest in worldly things like people, wealth, mother, father, etc. Because only Narayana, the God, has become his real subject, his attraction. he became a true devotee. The God himself comes to his rescue and solves the problem of such devotee. When the crisis arises, he constantly stands with him and takes care of him. Sant Banka Maharaj says, without the Lord Panduranga, there is no protector and friend of us. He is my father and he is my mother. If the name of God is enchanted with true devotion, he comes to the rescue of his devotee and he saves him from the ocean of Maya. This God is great. The prostitute, Gajendra, the elephant, and Ajamil, the dacoit, who remembered the name of God, all were saved by him. I am completely confident that Vithoba is the true savior of all the living beings. Sant Tukaram Maharaj says, पडता जड भारी दासे आठवा वाहरी मग तो होऊने दिशिन आडघाली सुदर्शन मागे पुढे उभा राहे सांभाळीत आलिया घात निवारावे मागे उभा मंगेश पुढे उभा मंगेश माझ्याकडे देव माझा पाहतो आहे ज्याचा सखा हरी त्यावरी विश्वकृपा करी उणे पडो नेदित्याचे वारे सोसी आघाताचे तयावीण क्षण भरी कदा आपण नोहे दूरी अंगा आपुले ओढोनी त्यासी राखे जो निर्वाणी ऐसा अंकित भक्तासी मने नामयाची दासी विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल
The world bestows grace on one who is a true devotee of Hari. God does not move away from him even for a moment. When the crisis arises, he holds his hand and brings him out of the maze. In a way, God becomes his servant, and we can also call him a slave. प्रमाण हे त्याच्या बोला देव भक्ताचा अंकिला न पूसता जाता नये खाली बैसता ही धिये अवघा त्याचा होत जीव भावे ही सहित वदे उपचाराची वाणी काही माग म्हणवणी उदासीनाच्या लागे तुका म्हणे धावे मागे. The God is described as a slave. Is there any proof of this? Yes, there is. God Himself has said that you have to order Him and He will just perform the duty. He will obey you all the time. It is not a joke. Do you think the God is a watchman to whom you can employ free of cost? Call any time and tell any work. We have to pay a monthly salary and bonus to the watchman. So, why would God do this for free of cost? The answer is given by Tukaram Maharaj. What? उदासीनाचा धावे मागे भक्त ऐसे जाना जे देही उदास विठ्ठल 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 Poet Morabant says, भक्ति विना वशनो है वीणाने वा मृदंगनादाने कन्यादान फलाते कैसा पावे मृदंगनादाने. God can only be attained by devotion, not otherwise. Only the real bride is given to the bridegroom in marriage, and that is called Kanyadan. It cannot be done by donating a clay doll or a statue. For this, it is necessary to understand the difference between a devotee and a non-devotee. Bhakta, the devotee means a beetle. Tukaram Maharaj says, Parimalachi dhava भ्रमरावोडी भ्रमरावोडी तैसी तुझी गोडी लागो मग. Do you know lotus? Oh, I am not talking about the symbol of the party ruling the country now, but I am talking about the lotus in the pond, in the river. The goddess Lakshmi and the goddess Saraswati is always sitting on the lotus. Ask Devendra, I mean the king of the gods, Devendra. So, ka कमलकंदानी दर्दुई नांदनु कये के चिघरी परी परागु सेविजे भ्रमरी जवळिला चिखलुची उरे. विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल. There are two types of people in the world. One is the devotee who believes in God, and the other non-believer. The non-believer means creepy person without real devotion towards the God. He imitates like the true devotee, but with fraudulent ends in mind. He is not the true devotee. But the real devotee is honest one, and his honesty is always evident from his actions. the lotus and the frog, both are in mud. But the honey is not for the frog. It is for the beetle. Well, one gets mud and the other gets honey. There were two friends. One said to the other, "Oh, I had a dream last night. We were walking through the forest. At one moment, we both sleep, but I fell into the honey pot and you fell into the mud." The other friend was smart enough. He said, "Oh friend, I had the same dream. But do you know what happened next?" The first friend said, "What will happen next?" The other friend said, "We decided to lick each other clean. Done. I am licking you and you are licking me. I am licking honey and you are licking mud." Vithala, 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 Vithala. Well, in olden times, there were no banks. Then people were burying their money in the ground, in the earth. Dhanasya bhumo पशवश्च गोष्ठे भार्या गुहद्वारे जनः श्मशाने देहश्चितायां परलोकमार्गे परमानुभो गच्छति जीव एक. If anyone dies, what happens then? Wealth is in the land. Animals are in the barn. Wife is at the door of the house. People will go to the cemetery and all the real journey has to be done by the soul alone. But imagine if someone says goodbye without giving the address of the treasure buried in the ground. It should be said that it is the misfortune of the descendant, isn't it? Natari nidayvasa parivari lohya rutaliya ahati सहस्रवरी परी तेथ वैसोनी उपवासु करी का दरिद्री जे. An unfortunate man sits at home and fasts because he has no idea that there is a pot which is full of gold coins buried in the ground just below the house. Taisa hridaya madhe mi ramo asata sarva sukhacha aram ibranta sikamo vishayavari. In the same way, God, the source of all happiness, is in the heart of all living beings. But those who do not have faith cannot attain it. Taise aham mamate chya lavada savadi मातेन पवति ची बापुडी मनोनी जन्म मरणाची दुथडी डहुळीते ठेली. This is why God has said in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, अश्रद्धदानाः पुरुषान् धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्यु संसार वर्त्मनि. So it is difficult for non-believer to attain God. Devotees of God can know the God. My true vision comes only to the fortunate people who have attained the divine virtues. It is said by God. These divine qualities are attained by chanting the name of God. But it is true that once the name of God comes out of the mouth, you have to earn a lot of good deeds, punya. Since such a person is rare, we always see many people who do not like Nama Sankirtan. This is why God has said in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, महात्मनास्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिम् आश्रितः भजन्त्यनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिम् अव्ययम्. The Paramatma serves the devotees who have surrendered in a unique way and constantly cares for these devotees. Ananya chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam. It is not the LIC. God has to take care of the devotees who have deployed themselves in Nama Sankirtana. God takes care of such devotees. Just as a mother would look after a baby, or just as bird feeds its newborn chicks. आपुले तहान भूकनेने तान्मया निकेते माऊली सीची करणे तैसे अनुसरले जे मज प्राणे तयाचेन काहीसे निही नलजे मी. हा योगक्षेमो आघवा तयाचा मदची पडिला पांडवा जयाच्या सर्व भावा आशयो मी. विठ्ठला 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 विठ्ठला.
विठ्ठला विठ्ठला विठ्ठला
आपण आमच्या हरिकीर्तन प्रबोधिनीच्या www.learnkirtan.in या वेबसाईटला भेट द्या आणि हरिकीर्तन प्रबोधिनीचे समर्थक आणि प्रबोधक होण्यासाठी या अभ्यासक्रमाला प्रवेश घ्या.